Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to save Canva design as PDF file. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The first step that you want to do is to open the Canva application on your device. Then you want to select your project that you want. You can select them from the home page, or you can search for a specific template, which you can edit later on. I need a resume or a CV, so I'll search for that in the search bar, and Canva is going to show me a bunch of different templates, which I can use and customize. So I'll select this template and then customize it, edit the text, add or remove the photos, and so on. When you are happy with your project and you want to save it as a PDF file, you want to click on the Share button in the top right corner of the screen, and then select this Download button. Click this button under the file type, and this following menu will appear, where we can choose from a couple of different formats. Canva gives us two different PDF file types. We can save it as a PDF standard, which is great for sharing and emailing, or PDF print, which is the best format if you want to print your designs. When you select the first or the second format, simply click on Download and wait a couple of seconds until we download our design from Canva. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.